Hello bike friends, and welcome back to the Bonnie Biker YouTube channel. Today we're going to make some well-deserved mods to my Triumph bobber. Before we start that, let's give the bike a bit of a clean. So the bike's all clean, the chain's been cleaned, the chain's been lubed, we put XCP all over the engine casings and it's looking shiny. So now it's time to fit the C.o.C Customs seat spring. With the standard Triumph bobber, the rear shock isn't the best, and when you're a bit on the larger side, if you hit a pothole, it really goes through your spine. Used to have a Tom Hurley custom seat, which was fantastic, had medical gel, memory foam, and that really helped. And then I went for a more of a sort of thin line sort of looking seat, which was from Alex Leathercraft, and I loved the look of that. It was nice and thin, you know, streamlined. It had sort of exposed leather on the outside, so it looked like the gold pinstriping. But on longer distances, it was absolutely killing my back. So I thought I'd put the standard seat back on, and although that was a temporary fix, when I saw the C.o.C Customs spring seat, I thought I need to give this a go. Now I'm going to show you before and after and me sort of fitting this. I won't give you a step-by-step guide, as my friend Tommy on Two Wheels has already done that. I'll put a link up here for you, so please go and check that out if you want a full run through of how to install this. But let's get cracking. So the idea with the C.o.C Custom seat mount is that there's a spring which fits underneath the air. So when it's on the bike, it gives you an extra bit of pivot and hopefully a bit more comfort. So the idea is, if I put this seat back on, it's going to be a little bit more comfortable. So that's it, all fitted. The only thing we've got to do now is go out and test it, and I'll come back with you with my initial thoughts. Definitely notice a difference, 100%. Little micro sort of bumps, don't feel it as much. Oh yeah, this is good. Some of them, that would have been breaking me back. Oh yeah, this works. Well done, C.o.C Customs. Right, I'm going to sign off for now and go and enjoy my new Springer seat. I will give you a long-term review in a couple of months and let you know how I've been getting on. But like always, really appreciate you watching. If you're new around here, please subscribe. To the next one, take care of yourself, ride safe, and I will see you soon.